Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a golf pudding green. First, let's plan your perfect practice space. Begin by selecting a level, well-drained area in your yard. Think about the ideal size, often between 100 and 200 square feet, and its overall shape. Also, consider sun exposure and easy access to a water source for future maintenance. A good plan ensures a successful and enjoyable pudding green for years to come. Now, let's prepare the foundation for your pudding green. You'll need to excavate the chosen area to a depth of about 4 to 6 inches. This depth is crucial for proper drainage and stability. Next, install a sturdy perimeter border using flexible edging or treated lumber to define your green's shape. Finally, lay down a high-quality weed barrier fabric to prevent any unwanted growth from pushing through your turf. With the base excavated, it's time to build up your subbase for optimal drainage. First, add a 4-inch layer of crushed gravel, which is essential for water runoff. Use a plate compactor to thoroughly compact this gravel layer, ensuring a stable and firm foundation. Then, spread a 1-inch layer of leveling sand evenly over the compacted gravel. This creates a smooth, consistent surface for your artificial turf. Finally, let's install your beautiful artificial turf. Carefully roll out the turf, making sure it lies flat and is completely wrinkle-free across the entire area. Next, precisely cut holes for your pudding cups. These are typically 4 1/4 inches in diameter. Secure the edges of your turf using landscape staples or a strong adhesive to ensure a neat, professional, and long-lasting finish. Enjoy your new pudding green.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.